Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my March Boxycharm unboxing, tutorial, review, demo, all that good stuff. You guys know this is one of my favorite videos to do and I do them every single month. So I'm not going to keep you any longer. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And now if you want to see what I got in my March Boxycharm, then just keep watching. First up, we have the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This retails for $34. You guys know I use a lot of Wonder Beauty products. I was very psyched when I saw this in the box because I had not tried this before. And the mask itself is rose gold. So of course I was like, I can't wait to try this. So this morning before I started my makeup, I tried this mask and it was really nice. I didn't see like a huge difference, to be very honest. My skin just felt soft and like extra clean in a way. But every single time I use brightening products, my skin gets really red. Like I have normal dry skin, but it can be very sensitive at times. And this mask did not bring out any redness or nothing. So my skin was ready to go and apply makeup on it. It felt really smooth and just like extra clean, like I said. So I actually really enjoy it, and this is a full size. So, and it's fun. Who doesn't love a good peel off mask? Like I actually enjoy doing peel off masks, you know, just like leaving them on and like waiting for them to dry and then just like slowly peel them off. So I really am pleased with this. Like I said, it wasn't like a huge difference, but I enjoy it. So I'll be using this again. Next, we have the Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow, and this retails for $21. So obviously I'm wearing this on my eyes, and first of all, I wasn't super thrilled about this because it felt kind of like the same, very similar to the previous box, the same kind of like copper-ish, goldish, you know, shadow. And I was like, okay, like I'm gonna have to really step out of my thinking box and come up with a different look because it's just like very similar. So it's pretty. It's not, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I wasn't thrilled about it. You know what I mean? And then I started to apply this on the eye that I did off camera, and I was like, oh, okay. If I zoom you in right now on this eye right here, you can see the eyeshadow is cracking. And I didn't really load it up like a whole lot, but I certainly went a little lighter handed on the other eye that I did film on camera. So just be aware that if you really put a lot, it will crack. And it's not a bad product. I just feel like if you're not used to this kind of, liquid eyeshadows, you're gonna have trouble with it. On the other hand, I loved the applicator. It was so easy to do this kind of like cut crease or whatever this is. It was so easy. Like you just swipe and it was done. So I did enjoy the applicator. You just have to be aware that if you use too much, if you layer too much, this eyeshadow will crack on your eyes. Next, we have the Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit, and this retails for $29.99. I really enjoy Moda brushes. I think they're super cute. I love this rose gold little duo here that they included with the theme of the box. And the powder brush is really nice. It's so soft and applied powder very nicely on my face. I really enjoyed it. And then the other one, this kind of like highlighter brush, it's okay. For me personally, I prefer something a little more dense and more precise when I want to apply my highlight. This is very nice if you want just like a subtle glow, on your cheekbones or whatnot. So this is nice for that, 100%, and it's super soft, and you just kind of dust this off, all over your face, and it's not going to give you like a highlight, but just like a glow. So I enjoy that. And I love the little size. They're not mini, but they're not huge either. So I enjoyed them a whole lot. Next, we have the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and this retails for $45. So this palette is quite nice. I did use the blush, the contour, and I used 2 highlighters and also the powder. So I almost used everything in here, and I really enjoyed it. I think the highlighter was very pigmented, and I love the blush tone. It's really nice. There's 3 highlighters, to be honest, but I went with the very golden one, and there's like a rose gold one that's really pretty as well, and then there's one that's labeled as a brightener, so you can definitely use that for your inner corners or your brow bone. I went ahead and just to be extra, I put it on my cheekbone, so that's why my highlight's super crazy, but I enjoyed it a whole lot. The finishing powder, it looks like it has some kind of shimmer, but it's not shimmery on the face. It's just like a regular powder. I liked it. And then the blush was very pretty, very pigmented, but very pretty. This palette really surprised me. And it has a big mirror as well, which is very handy. Lastly, we have the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and I have it in the shade Monaco. So truthfully, I probably wouldn't pair this lip with this look, but for the sake of this video, here I am. It's not a bad shade. I actually enjoyed the shade. I'm not 100% into metallic liquid lipsticks, but this one, it's not bad. I like the formula. I like Ofra Liquid Lipsticks formula. So I enjoyed this. Like I said, it's not like something I would pair, you know, lip and eye with, but this is what I got in my box, so I gotta accept the challenge and do it. So I put a little bit more of this like kind of like pinkish, you know, burgundy tones on my eyes just to try to like tie it all together. And I think it looks okay, but still I probably would pair this with like a nude lip. It would just be much better. But the liquid lipstick is nice, very pigmented, and it's not like overly dry. Like their formula, it's nice. A lot of metallic liquid lipsticks are really dry. Like once they actually settle on your lips, it's so dry and they crack on you, and just I don't like it. So this one is actually quite nice. So the value of this box this month is actually $149.99. That's pretty high for Boxycharm. I think it's the highest so far this year, I believe. Obviously it's only 3 months in the year, but it's been, you know, the highest so far. So actually a very good value, and you pay of course $21. Every product is full size. There's no samples. I really overall enjoyed this box a whole lot. I love the theme, everything kind of pinkish. I tried to put some pink on me today to go with it, but I'm very pleased with the box. Overall, I liked everything I tried. Just the eyeshadow was kind of like, you know, a little bit like iffy about it, but it looks really pretty on the eyes. It's just I felt like it was very similar to the previous box. As I always like to mention, I do have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. It's gonna be down in my description box. If you decide to use that link, I really appreciate your help and your support. I will be making a $5 commission for each person that, you know, uses that link. So I like to be very open here. There's no reason not to. But I 100% recommend Boxycharm. It's a great, if not the best, makeup subscription in my opinion. You always get a very good variety of products, skincare, brushes, makeup, as you can see, and everything is full size. So it's a really good deal. You always get over $100 worth of, you know, products every single month, and it's kind of like a treat to yourself. Alright guys, so that's it for my March Boxycharm unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you got in your box. They always have some variations, so I always like to know what other people got because I'm very nosy like that. And as always, if you like this video, if you found it helpful, and if you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe because it really helps my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.